Stop wasting hours manually slicing up your long videos when there is a much easier way to handle your content repurposing. I finally found a reliable, frustration-free method to turn long recordings into ready-to-post short clips without any sketchy sites or complex VPN workarounds. Let me walk you through how I use Vizard and why it has quickly become my absolute go-to tool for scaling social media content. So first off, what exactly is Vizard for those who have not heard of it yet? Essentially, Vizard is a powerful AI-driven platform that automatically slices long-form videos into high-performing, engagement-ready short clips. It identifies the most viral moments, trims them perfectly, formats them for platforms like TikTok or Reels, and even handles your scheduling. Think of it like having a tireless video editor that spots the sparks in your hour-long streams and turns them into snackable content. Let me show you exactly how this looks when you put it into practice. When you upload a long video, like a podcast or a tutorial, Vizard analyzes everything and highlights parts with high emotional beats. It is not just chopping footage randomly, because the AI is actually looking at audio peaks, speaker changes, and pacing to find the best clips. That is the first major win because you do not have to waste hours scrubbing through raw footage looking for gems. Now, let's talk about pricing and credits, because I know that is usually the first question on everyone's mind. Vizard offers a free plan with limits so you can test it out alongside paid plans that unlock bulk processing and higher export quality. Unlike services that charge per individual render, Vizard focuses on monthly subscriptions that make sense for consistent content creators. If you are worried about subscription bloat, they also offer pay-as-you-go credits, which is really helpful for one-off projects. Adding payment is incredibly simple. Just head to your workspace settings and click the billing tab. Some users prefer preloading a small amount just to see the results, and in my experience, $10 is plenty to test the quality. Regarding outputs, Vizard exports clips in platform-native aspect ratios like 9:16 for TikTok or 16:9 for YouTube. It also optimizes your audio levels automatically, which saves you a ton of time on the back end. You get multiple suggested cuts for the same moment, such as a short hook or a longer highlight. That feature is golden because it allows you to test what actually resonates with your specific audience. Now, a lot of people mistakenly think that using AI means you lose all creative control. Vizard is great at hands-off edits, but you can also guide it by marking timestamps you want included or tagging sections as funny or educational. It is similar to giving a human editor a storyboard because the AI matches your preferences for cuts, transitions, and captions. One feature I absolutely love is the auto-schedule option for consistent posting. Set your desired frequency, and Vizard will queue your clips and publish them directly to your connected social accounts. Combine that with the content calendar, and you have everything in one place to plan and move posts around easily. For creators juggling multiple channels, this is a massive time saver that keeps your feed active without manual work. Let me walk you through a workflow I used recently for a 45-minute live stream recording. I let Vizard auto-detect the clips. Then I nudged it by favoriting specific segments to create a hook, an explainer, and a longer recap. From the initial upload to having scheduled posts across multiple platforms, the whole process took under 20 minutes. Let us talk limitations because no tool is perfect, and I want to be honest with you. Vizard cannot create new footage, so if your source video has boring sections with no engagement, the AI is limited by that material. It occasionally mislabels tone, like flagging a sarcastic line as serious, so you should always skim suggestions before hitting publish. Also, if you rely on extremely niche inside jokes, the model might sometimes miss that specific nuance. Another major thing is copyright, because Vizard will not magically clear copyrighted music or third-party clips for you. If your stream contains music that violates platform policies, you must be mindful of that because the AI cannot resolve legal issues. As for faces and likenesses, remember that Vizard edits existing footage and is not a face generator or deepfake tool. How does Vizard compare to other options currently on the market? Some platforms focus on creating new films from text, which is cool, but they often get pricey and lack a proper publishing pipeline. Other tools might be cheaper but only offer manual cutting and clunky scheduling workflows. Vizard sits in a practical sweet spot specifically designed for repurposing long-form content into cross-platform clips. If your main goal is consistent social posting from your long-form videos, Vizard is much more tailored to that workflow. One more practical note, Some platforms include watermarks on free trial exports. Removing that is usually part of a paid plan, so definitely test the free tier to ensure the results match your needs first. For those who want total control, try breaking your long video into a timeline of beats to guide the AI, instead of just asking for a viral clip. Define the flow by marking where your hooks and expert quotes are. If you combine that with reference clips showing your style, you get much more consistent and branded outputs. Processing time is generally fast, with a 30-second clip taking roughly 1 to 3 minutes to render fully. If you queue up a large batch, it might take longer, but it runs in the background while you do other things. Final thoughts. If you are producing long videos and want to scale your short-form content, Vizard is genuinely one of the most pragmatic tools out there. It makes the repetitive parts of creation, like slicing, captioning, and formatting, almost entirely effortless. Try it out with a free upload, test a few clips, and see how it suggests hooks for your content. If you have favorite tricks for marking the best parts, drop them in the comments because I love swapping workflows. And if you want to see a step-by-step walkthrough of my exact Vizard settings, drop a like and I will make that happen.